Welcome friends, students. Let us learn today applications of derivatives, in which the first application is to find equations of tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to f of x at a given point x1 y1. Y is equal to f of x is a continuous function which is represented by a curve in two-dimensional geometry. See, if this is the curve y is equal to f of x, this is a point of contact P x1 y1 at which there is a tangent T and a line which is perpendicular to the tangent, it is normal to the curve. Let us find equations of these tangent and normal to the curve at the point P x1 y1. So what is the first step? The first step is to find slope of a tangent. So see, first one, slope of a tangent to the curve at x1 y1. See, it is the derivative of the curve. Remember this thing. To find the derivative of a curve at a certain point means to find slope of the tangent to the curve at the same point. So the curve is y is equal to f of x, derivative dy by dx, here notation is f dash x. So this gives us slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to f of x at the point x1 y1. How to write it? So slope is equal to, call it as slope m for tangent. It is derivative of the curve at the point right here x1 y1. Now how to find slope of normal to the curve? See, normal is always perpendicular to the tangent. So second, slope of normal to the curve, same curve y is equal to f of x at the point P x1 y1. Now how to find slope of normal? We know that slope of normal into slope of tangent is equal to -1 because these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, slope of normal, call it as m dash, is given by -1 upon, transfer it, slope of tangent. Slope of tangent. So it means it is -1 upon dy by dx at x1 y1. See, dy by dx at x1 y1, what does it give to us? It gives slope m, slope of tangent to the curve, and take its negative reciprocal, we get slope of normal to the curve. After finding slopes, we can easily find using slope point form of equation of a line the respective equations of tangent and normal. So how to find equation of tangent? See, third point is equation of tangent. See, this line is a tangent. There is a point P x1 y1 on it. P lies on both tangent and normal. So we are given one point on the tangent and we know its slope is m. Therefore, what is the equation of a line having slope m and passing through the point x1 y1? It is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. M means dy by dx, derivative, that is y minus y1 is equal to m is dy by dx, slope of tangent at the point x1 y1, write it here x1 y1 into x minus x1. Similarly, slope of normal, sorry, equation of normal, formula 4, equation of normal to the same curve at the same point, it is same type y minus y1, same point x1 y1, but the slope is m dash, slope of normal, into x minus x1. That is y minus y1 is equal to, what is m dash? What is m dash? It is, m dash is minus 1 upon dy by dx. So minus 1 upon slope of tangent dy by dx at the point x1 y1 into x minus x1. So this gives us equation of normal to the curve. Using these four formulae, we can find equation of tangent and normal to the given curve at the given point. See, let us revise the results. Slope of tangent m, it is derivative of the curve at the point x1 y1. Slope of normal m dash, it is the negative reciprocal of the slope of the tangent, so minus 1 upon m. Equation of tangent y minus y1 into slope of tangent m is equal to m into x minus x1. Equation of normal y minus y1 is equal to m dash slope of normal into x minus x1. So using these four formulae, let us find equation of tangent and normal to these curves. See here, the first one is find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to x square plus 2 e raised to x plus 2 at the point 0, 4. Solution. Given curve is y is equal to x square plus 2 e raised to x plus 2. What is the first step? Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, what we get? Y has derivative dy by dx is equal to derivative of x square, it is 2x, okay, I write here d by dx of x square plus d by dx of 2 e raised to x plus d by dx of 2. So x square has derivative 2x, 2 constant will come out, 2 into derivative of e raised to x, same e raised to x, plus derivative of constant only, it is 0. So finally dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 2 e raised to x. This is the derivative of the curve. Now next, slope of a tangent at which point? 0, 4. x1 is 0, y1 is 4. At 0, 4, what is the symbol? Is equal to dy by dx, derivative of the curve at 0, 4. So we call it, let us call it as m. So m is equal to derivative. What is the derivative? We have found, see here, 2x plus 2 e raised to x. 2x plus 2 e raised to x at which point? At the point 0, 4. So replace, take value of x to be 0 and y to be 4. There is only x in the slope, so take x is equal to 0. So what happens? See, 2 into x 0, 2 into 0 it is 0 plus 2 into e raised to 0, e raised to 0 it is 1, 2 into 1 it is 2. So 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. So m is equal to 2. So slope of tangent is 2. Now slope of normal, slope of normal, it is minus 1 upon derivative of the curve at the point 0, 4. Let us call it as m dash. It is minus 1 upon m, minus 1 upon derivative, sorry, slope of the tangent. So m dash is equal to minus 1 upon, what is m? What is m slope of tangent? It is 2. So minus 1 upon 2. See, first find the derivative of the curve, find its value at the given point 0,4, we get slope of tangent. Take its negative reciprocal, we get slope of normal. Now, equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. Formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That is y minus, what is y1? x1 is 0, y1 is 4. So y1 is 4, m, slope m is, what is m? M is equal to 2 into x minus x1, x1 is 0. So it is y minus 4, 2 into x minus 0, x, 2 into x, it is 2x. Take all the terms in the on the right side, what we get? That is 2x, transfer it, minus y, transfer it, plus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of tangent to the curve at the point 0,4. Now last equation of normal. Equation of normal, formula y minus y1 is equal to m dash into x minus x1. So what is m dash? Minus 1 upon 2. So it is y minus, what is y1? y1 is 4. 4 is equal to, what is m dash? It is minus 1 upon 2 into x minus x1, it is 0. So after simplification, what we get? See here. Y minus 4 is equal to x minus 0, it is x minus 1 upon 2 into x. Transfer this 2 to the left side, 2 into y, it is 2y, 2 into 4, it is 8, is equal to minus 1 into x, minus x. Take minus x to the left side, make it plus. So minus x to the left side, it is plus x, plus 2y, minus 8 is equal to 0. So this gives us equation of normal to the curve. First step, derivative of the curve. Second step, slope of tangent at particular point. Third, slope of normal, that is minus reciprocal of slope of tangent. Equation of tangent, y minus y1 into m is equal to m into x minus x1. Equation of normal, y minus y1 is equal to m dash, slope of normal, into x minus x1. Using all these things, we have found equation of tangent and normal to this curve y is equal to x square plus 2 e raised to x plus 2 at the point 0, 4. Now let us take one more example. Exercise 2.1. We have taken first example of the question 1. Now, x is equal to sine theta and y is equal to cos 2 theta at theta is equal to pi by 6. Second example, x is equal to sine theta, y is equal to cos 2 theta at theta is equal to pi by 6. See, x is a function of theta, y is a function of theta. These are the parametric functions. How to find derivative parametric functions? See, this is given to us. Let us find equation of tangent and normal to this curve. So x is a function of theta. So dx by d theta, find it first. It is d by d theta of sine theta. So derivative of sine theta, it is cos theta. Y is a function of theta. So dy by d theta, it is d by d theta of cos 2 theta. Cos has derivative minus sine into derivative of 2 theta, that is coefficient of theta, it is 2 into 2. So into 2, it is minus 2 sine 2 theta. Therefore, dy by dx, formula dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So it is minus 2 sine 2 theta upon derivative of x, it is cos theta. So it is, so dy by dx is equal to, let us simplify it, minus 2, what is sine 2 theta? Trigonometric formula, it is 2 sine theta into cos theta upon cos theta. Formula of sine 2 theta, cos theta to cos theta, it is 1, what remains? Minus 2 into 2, 4, minus 4 sine theta. Now, we have found derivative, first step. Next, slope of tangent, it is m, it is dy by dx. What is the value given to us? Theta is equal to pi by 6. Friend, theta is equal to pi by 6. So is equal to, what is the derivative? Minus 4 sine theta. So minus 4 sine, what is theta? Theta is pi by 6. Replace theta by pi by 6. Sine 30, sine 30, pi by 6, sine 30, it is 1 upon 2. So minus 4 into 1 upon 2, it is minus 2. So m is equal to minus 2. Similarly, slope of normal, it is m dash. So it is minus 1 upon slope of tangent. Take negative reciprocal of slope of tangent. So it is minus 1 upon, what is m? Minus 2. It is 1 upon 2. So slope of tangent, it is minus 2. Slope of normal, it is 1 upon 2. Now, let us find the point of contact. What is x? Sine theta. So x is equal to sine theta is equal to sine, what is theta? Pi by 6. Sine 30, 1 upon 2. What is y? Y is going to be cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. Cos, what is theta? Pi by 6. 2 pi by 6. Replace theta by pi by 6. 2 3s are 6. So it is pi by 3. Cos pi by 3. Cos 60, it is again 1 upon 2. So what is the point of contact? X 1 upon 2, y 1 upon 2. Therefore, x1, y1, the point of contact is 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Now, let us find equation of tangent to the curve. See here, equation of tangent. So what is the equation of tangent? Equation of tangent to the curve x equal to sine theta, y is equal to cos 2 theta is formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus, what is y1? Y1 is 1 upon 2, x1 1 upon 2. Y minus y1 is 1 upon 2. What is slope of tangent m? So m is, see here, m is minus 2. So slope is minus 2 into x minus x1 is 1 upon 2. x1 1 upon 2. So final calculation, y minus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 2 into x, minus into minus plus 2, 1s are 2, it is 1. Take to the left side or cross multiply. 2 into y, 2y minus 1 upon, take this 2 to the right side, minus 4x plus 2. So finally we get 4x plus 2y minus 1 minus 2, it is minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of tangent. This is the usual calculation. See here, 2 into y, 2y minus 1 upon 2. Upon 2 cross it into 2. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4x plus 2 into 1, 2. So this is the equation of tangent. And the last one, equation of normal. Equation of normal, formula y minus y1 is equal to m dash into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is 1 upon 2. What is m dash? M dash is, see here, m dash is 1 upon 2 into x minus 1 upon 2. Multiplying throughout by 1 upon 2, what we get, see here, or usual calculation. See, 2 into y, 2y minus 1 upon 2 is equal to x into 1 upon 2, it is x upon 2. Okay. Take this 2 to the, see, x minus 1 upon 2 upon 2. This upon 2. This 2 will get cancelled. What remains? 2y minus 1 is equal to x minus half. Simplify it. So 2 into x, 2x minus 1. Take this 2 to the left side into 2. So 4y minus 2 is equal to x minus 1. So finally it is x minus 4y minus 1 plus 2. It is plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of normal to the curve. This is the equation of tangent to the curve for x. If a curve is given in the form of parametric functions. So this is how we found equations of tangent and normal to two curves. Thank you very much. Let us. I will give you homework today. So this is the way to find equation of tangent and normal to the curve. Okay, thank you very much.